Now that's more like it. Hey, I'm Wade Fellin, co-owner and guide at Big Hole Lodge, and after 38 years in business in Southwest Montana, we're finally joining the world of video. We dug around YouTube and we discovered the bar is quite high for taking up your valuable time. So in an effort to rise to that challenge, we created this studio, and I'm going to do my best to try and learn how to shoot and edit video. Bear with us, the learning curve is steep. But we're committed to bringing you quality fishing content, helpful how-tos, and have meaningful conversations. We'll interview staff of local river protection organizations and update you on the most recent news in the fishing world. Moving forward, we'll bring you fly fishing videos throughout the season from the rivers we guide on, but in the winter months, we'll publish things like updates on snowpack, new gear reviews, and educational how-tos about how we approach the nuances of Mountain West fly fishing. But getting to the point of pushing record has been quite a project. My wife and I live in rural Wise River, and she's now a veterinarian in Butte, Montana, so we needed a house in town when she's on call. One of the bedrooms proved to be the perfect space for a photography studio, and a way better place than the dining room table. Dogs keep unplugging my computer, often in the middle of Zoom calls. My wife and I can't stand clutter, and we've got this really cool 1901 house in Butte, and it's time for an office. But as you can hear and see, this room's gonna need a lot of work before it's a studio. We've got terrible acoustics, old house, 9x11 box, hardwood floor. My voice is reverberating out of all these corners. If we were to come at you with a YouTube video every week with these type of echoey acoustics, you'd probably quit watching us, and I don't blame you. The lighting, we've got one naked, warm light bulb overhead casting shadows. We've got super harsh natural light coming out of the windows. Conflicting light sources make for conflicting colors, and it just doesn't look good. But most concerningly, we don't have any dog beds.
Oh yeah.
In here we have a dog bed, acoustic bass traps in the corners, sound panels on the walls and ceiling, sound dampening curtains, proper lighting. We can make it whatever color we want, which is kind of cool. A microphone to make our Zoom calls sound really professional, and even a rowing machine to stay in shape for guide season. So there you have it. We're officially on YouTube. We'll be reading the comments. We encourage your feedback and content suggestions, and we encourage you to click subscribe to come with us on this journey. It's going to be fun. Thank you.